Hello guys, Bartosz from Carbon Fox Group here. Today we are going to show you what's inside our BAJA Kit. All our BAJA kits for KTM 690, for Husqvarna 701, KTM EXC and Husqvarna FE are packed in the same bags the same way. So the packages are safely packed with additional fillings. So the first thing we will see is the light bracket for the navigation tower. Everything is packed in velvet bags. The navigation tower wouldn't be complete without a navigation tower support. Those two elements come separate because they occupy less space in the box, so the delivery is cheaper. They come pre-assembled, so the light bracket has the wiring, lights, everything is in place. Only thing needed to do to connect those parts is just to unscrew those 6 bolts and tie them together. There is no place for confusion. Another part is the OM KTM windshield, which provides a good protection for the driver. And also with the windshield, we have a windshield fixing set. One of the accessories for the navigation tower is separator bracket. It has place for turn signals which you can attach, but not everyone uses them. And we cannot forget about the wiring harness to connect the lights and lengthen the harness from the handlebar. Everything is plug and play, no soldering or cutting needed. Okay, so this was the first box. We have custom-made box in order to fit all the parts of the set properly, so they won't get damaged. In the second box we have carrier for road book. We offer plenty of different carriers for different devices. Everything is up to your needs. We can also customize a carrier if you need to, just feel free and contact us. Another accessory for the navigation tower is a panel that we mount in the front of navigation tower. We offer different panels for different speedometers. We also can attach some indicators, switches. We have a few solutions for you. The windshield is connected with an inlet. In this case of the EXC and FE, we have universal inlet that doesn't need to be connected to the original OEM side panels on the motorcycle. It's just connected to the windscreen. And the last piece of the puzzle in our box is the complete bracket set for the navigation tower. It combines carbon fiber and aluminum parts. We designed it using 3D scanning. It fits perfectly well on the motorcycle frame and provides really high rigidity for the navigation tower when it's mounted. So everything you have here on this table that was in the box, it's enough to provide you a fun and good results. If you want to go railing, use your motorcycle more in touristic adventures, or just go to the nearest store to get some food or to make shopping and also have some fun on the way. So thank you guys, and please feel free to contact us. We have lots of options in order to customize the kits. Just feel free and contact us, and see you again.